Guys, this video is entitled Reaching for Your Love. It's Tech House beat made using Reason Studio software by Propellerhead. Guys, I hope you like it. I'm going to break it down for you just so you can hear the individual stems and vocals and all the percussion, etc. Yeah, bass line, that sort of thing. So first of all, guys, I've got a vocal reaching, the most obvious vocal, Reaching for Your Love. So this is what it sounds like by itself.
Because I'm reaching for your love. Because I'm reaching for your love.
All right, and then back to back with that, I've got another vocal just to kind of bring it, give it some life.
Because I'm reaching for your love. Because I'm reaching for your love. Because I'm reaching for your love. Because I'm reaching for your love.
All right, and then in between that now I've got a chill ambient sound to go with it. See if you like it.
Because I'm reaching for your love. Because I'm reaching for your love. Because I'm reaching for your love. Because I'm reaching for your love.
Alright, and then I've got a synth also. It's a synth. Alright, so that's the part of the arrangement there. And then I've got some drums, guys. Listen to the drum. This is the bass line. Listen to the bass line. It's solo the bass line. So you hear that by itself. Alright, actually it wasn't by itself, guys, as you can hear. But I'll play it by itself this time. Just the bass line, guys. Alright. And then you've got a, let's get you a drum loop, let's get the drum loop in there so you can hear it sound with the drums. And then I'll put the bass and drums together so you can hear how they sound. Alright, then move the bass line together. Alright. So guys, this is what I've done, this is how I've constructed it. Let me know what you think. And some congos and stuff mixed in there as well. But guys, this is the way it sounds like. So this just it's not been arranged properly yet, so just let me know what you think.
Because I'm reaching for your love. Because I'm reaching for your love. Because I'm reaching for your love. Because I'm reaching for your love.
Guys, quick mix up, hope you liked it. Tap in for more from this channel right here.